Afternoon, guys. It has been a while. The Cosmic Huskies is back again with another Doctor Who unboxing, and it is the 15th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. It came out last year, which is the deluxe edition from the CAD Options Online. So on the cover we got like his Sonic Screwdriver, his new improved one, and then we got like the red one, which is like the Christmas banner on it, and it's got like the 15th Doctor title on it, and all this blister card with the pinkly, purpley texture to it, and the TARDIS there. Then on the side you've got Doctor Who, and then on the back it gives you details, and it does require 3 batteries, and it with lights and sound effects, well, out view and pop out emitter, and then there's everything on there, of course. And then there's the normal version, though the online version is more better. So I'll just open this up. So many of you have this in your collection, so it's like with all the previous classics and new improved Sonic Screwdrivers come out. Oh, and then took that out, and then it gives you like you can sorry, you can pause that to read there. So I'll just see how this thing lights up. The texture is really great, so you can just, and then you can just press any of the buttons, then it's all like in this golden thing with a purpley thing lighting up. And then you got on the back, you've got like all the Gallifreyan writings, and then the back bit lights up, and then this bit, and all silvery, glossy, very neat and crisp. So let's try some noises. Whoops. I don't know what. And you can put that back in there, and then you've got like paint texture right there. Really good. And then you could turn the thing around from side to side. Though I'm not sure what these buttons do. It's like he's scanning. Then you've got like a circle there. So as you can tell, that's the bit where it pops out, and then that lights up too. Some texture there. Well, I don't know what these... Oh, so it's a multi-functioning Sonic Screwdriver. And then it gives you a bit of bio about the Sonic Screwdriver. It looks really good, brilliant. And then you have your 15th Doctor's Christmas version, which is still online. So some people really do not like the design of this Sonic Screwdriver. And that bit, purpley bit, lights up. And then that does a bit of a trigger alarm. That makes another sound. So you got that sound. Like scanning. Then that keeps doing the same thing. Of course, the texture is really smooth and nicely done. So if you are a fan of Doctor Who, you might have this in your collection. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and check out the stuff I've done on here, even my gaming channel as well. And you can follow me on social media, and see you next time for more videos. Bye for now.